Hi, my name is Amanda Zieba. Welcome to my channel, Learning with the Word Nerd. Now, normally I talk to you about books, and I swear we're going to get to that. But first, I want to get there by way of tomatoes, by the way of a food analogy. Now, when I was a kid, I was a very picky eater, and if you had told me to eat tomatoes, it would probably look like this. But recently, I've fallen in love with these. And it wasn't an overnight thing, you guys. I'm 42, and it took me until about 42 to eat tomatoes plain. Well, not plain, prepared a fun way, but I never, ever, ever would have done that as a kid. And as grown-ups, we often ask our kids to read Fancy Tomatoes when all they really want is ketchup. Let me explain. As parents and educators, we really want our kids to read books. But when they pick up a book like this, in our mind is equivalent to this. It's easy, it's fun, but perhaps we're worried about the nutritional value that this book is providing. And so we tell our kids, that book is for babies. That book has too many pictures. That book is garbage. And what we're doing is we're taking this thing that they love and that they enjoy, and we're making them feel bad about that. We're telling them that it doesn't count, that it's not good. And in relation, what they're hearing is, you're not good. You're not a good reader. This book doesn't provide value for you, and therefore you as a reader do not have value. I know that's what we're not trying to do. I know that we want them to read, and so we'd really love for them to choose one of these award-winning, thick, great, author-named books. But you guys, in the process, we are wrecking their love of reading, and they will get here. They will get here, just like my journey from this to a lovely olive oiled, covered and salted tomato with mozzarella dish that I'm gonna make here in a minute for lunch. They will get there. But if we tell them that this doesn't have value, we have a much, much smaller chance of getting them to this. Just like our palates evolve as eaters, our palates and our abilities and our choices and our interests evolve as readers. So if your kid is reading this summer, you tell them that is awesome. And that book is so funny and you loved it, even if you didn't. Even if you didn't, y'all, it is okay. We are making reading fun and cool, and we are praising their choices. We are building their confidence as a reader, because they'll go from this to this thing that you wanted them to read all the time. It's an evolution. It's a growing process, and you have to be there for all the phases of it, or you're going to wreck your reader. I know you have good intentions. I know you want them to just go for the good, healthy, nutritional, fully packed value stuff, okay? But guess what? They're still reading, they're still eating, they're still fueling their brains, and it's gonna be great. You just gotta be patient. Okay, so an afterthought here, you guys. As I sit here and I eat this lunch and I look at these tomatoes, and I know they're delicious, but I still look at them and I can't believe that this is something that picky eater Amanda likes to eat. Like, I still have reservations about looking at this delicious food and going, but am I really gonna like it? So just know that it is a process. It is an evolution, and that these tomatoes, this was my idea. I decided I wanted to experiment with this food. If someone had plopped this down in front of me and I hadn't made that choice for myself, it's highly likely I wouldn't have eaten it. So it has to be their choice, and it's your job to lead them in the right direction without telling them that their choices are stupid along the way. I know, it's gonna be really hard, but you can do it, and I can help. So if you need anything, just message me, comment below, DM me, all the things. We can raise readers together.